Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. This is standard 7th English essay writing. So today we are going to write something about Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. He was born on 14th November and we celebrated 14th November as Children's Day in his memory because he loves children very much. So let's see one example of Children's Day essay. So Children's Day is celebrated every year on November 14th. This day is celebrated on the birthday of our first Prime Minister Jawaharlal Nehru. He was also known as Chacha Nehru. Jawaharlal Nehru was fond of children and children loved him equally. Therefore, the 14th of November was declared as Children's Day. Nehru advocated for the well-rounded education of children as he believed that children were the building blocks of the nation and its future. On this day, many places across the country celebrated by organizing cultural programs that include singing, dancing, play and skits, fancy dress competition and refreshment for the children. They are gifted toys, stationeries, clothes, chocolates and other such fun goodies and are also child-friendly movies. Keeping Nehru's dream of children's education alive, lots of organizations also donate books and toys to orphanage where children can make use of the resources. Children's Day celebrated with a lot of enthusiasm across the nation. So this is the one example of Children's Day celebration or Children's Day. So you have to write the Children's Day essay in your notebook.